A high-pitched squealing sound from your faucet is a warning sign something isn't working properly. Worn washers, cartridges, or internal parts can vibrate as water flows through. High water pressure or partially closed valves can force water through tight spaces and create noise. Mineral buildup from hard water can restrict flow and cause whistling or squealing sounds. Loose components or trapped air in the pipes can also lead to unusual faucet noises. If the sound continues, it's best to have a plumber inspect the issue before it leads to bigger problems.